Now guys, I would like to speak about how to round decimal numbers in Python. We have already seen how to round decimal numbers, so I would like to show it in this video, especially in this video. So if I have, for example, number, okay, something, for example, something like this. So I would like to round it. So it means if I print the number, of course, I will see the number and the decimal part. Now, I would like to use the round method. It means that I will use round brackets and I will write here the number which I would like to round. So I will run it and you can see it's a whole number. Okay, that's normal that 2.6 is rounded to top or to up. Right, so to 3. If here it will be, for example, 4, and again it's 2. Okay. If here, so it means it goes down, right? If I will write it here 5 and run it, it's 3 because 5 it's rounded to up. Okay, I hope it makes sense. And you, if you want, you can write in the brackets, be careful, not here, okay, but here in these brackets, after round, you can write how many decimal numbers you would like to preserve. So for example, I will write 2. I will clear it, run it, and you can see 2.58. Okay, so it means it's 4, and again it's rounded down. If you want, for example, 3 decimal numbers, you can write 3, so 2.585. So it means again 8 is rounded up, so 585. I hope it makes sense. But here, please be careful because sometimes Python is very weird. So if you have, for example, number 2 and it will be precisely 2.15 and you will print and try to round this number 2, for example, to 1 decimal number, you can be surprised because usually you suppose that it will be 2.2 because here is 5 and 5 is rounded to up. And if you run it, you will see that the result is 2.1. Okay, so here, if here will be, for example, 1 and I will run it again, you can see the result is 2.2. Okay, so this is a little bit weird, but you have to be aware that Python works like this. This will be 2.1, this already will be 2.2. Okay, I hope it makes sense. It's a little bit weird how I said, but we have to be aware of it.